Today I wanted to try just a straight pour, and I'm trying all blues. I'm going to try and get a nice rich finish. I'm using the, what's it called, cerulean blue, the Rembrandt blue, and what it's just called sky blue. It's just a generic paint, and another generic paint, just ultramarine. Okay, and I have a little bit of silver pre-mixed as well. How I've mixed them is 25% paint, 25% water, and for the first time ever I'm trying out Floetrol, so 25% Floetrol and 25% pouring medium, and we'll see what happens. They're a little bit thicker than I normally use, the paints. I have a little bit of white pre-mixed that I just use. I want to try if I'm not going to put a background on it. I'm just going to try and just let it be as rich as possible, and if it needs a bit of help to flow, I'll put a bit of white around the outer edges, and we'll see what happens. And that's how it's going to happen today, so let's see what happens. So I'm just going to get my tub and layer up some of this paint and see what happens. I'm gonna pause there. I think that might be my finished product. Let's see. I could move that just a little bit. Let me just have a look. No, I like that. I like that a lot. So let me just wipe my hands. It's kind of cool just to use all different types of the same color. It's just interesting to see how it plays out. Okay, let's just take any air bubbles out. There's something. There's no silicone or anything like that in this. It's just a straight pour like that. I'm probably going to do a second painting as part of this video, but this is the first one anyway. Not sure what that is. There's a bubble or a lump or something curious. Anyway, I'm just going to touch it with my silver paint stick. Now, just if I can see it properly. any other little adjustments while I'm here that I might like to make. Let me just take a look. Dark bit. Yeah, that worked. And the light bit here. Let's see. And the other little minor tweaks, maybe. I think I'm pretty happy with this. I don't think I'm going to do too much more. Just like that, and maybe here. No, I like that. I think I'm going to leave that alone. That's this painting finished. I'm just going to set it aside to dry. I'm just going to touch the edges, so the corners, and make sure that there's no dead spots. It's in a couple of weeks. This is the first painting that has gone more or less exactly according to my plan, without any hiccups. Now it's a more straightforward attempt at something, but it still worked, so I'm happy. I'll just go really quickly over one or two spots with the burn gun again, because I just think I can see some bubbles. Okay. It's quite beautiful. Lovely edges. I'm trying to get around all my paint tubs. Anyway, here we go, okay? There we go, you see the silver is lovely. The silver actually came out with a few little cells in it, but it wasn't intended. And then I'll just do a center and a panel directly from it. There we go. I'm sorry about the light. There we go, without the light shining on it. There we go. So I'm gonna say that one's a success. I like it. Hope you like it too. If you do like it, please click subscribe, click like, and come back and see if there's any more videos in a few days, because I'm probably gonna put up a few more as soon as I'm on the Christmas holidays. Okay, happy Christmas. See you soon, guys. Bye.